Hello, welcome. Hola, my name is Karina, and I'm going to show you the Spanish alphabet and also some tips of pronunciation with the alphabet and also the vowels. And here we go. Well, the Spanish alphabet goes like this: A, oh, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y or Y, and Z. Yes. Okay, this is the Spanish alphabet, and there's some pronunciation tips that I'm going to give you now about some of these letters. For example, let's open a new one. We have the letter L, that when you put it, you put two L's together, you get a different pronunciation. You get Y pronunciation, which would sound exactly as this one, that word. For example, we have the word lluvia, which means rain, and in this case the L would sound like this word, this letter, lluvia. But not as, for example, when you have only one L, sounds more like la la I cannot come up with any example. Habla, for example, habla, and that's a totally different pronunciation, like L. When it's double, remember, it's like j, lluvia. What other letter we have is the letter R or ere, which has two different pronunciations. You have the stronger R pronunciation, that when wherever you have it at first word, it's going to have that strong sound. Like, for example, in ratón, which means mouse, the animal, and also the ratón, mouse. And then you have that strong R sound, like ratón, not like in other words, like also when it's in the middle and it's double. Yeah, because that's why I remember that one. For example, marrano, which means pig. For some reason, I only can think in animals. Then you have a double R, and also has that strong R sound. That I know for foreign years it's pretty hard, but it's actually hard for us as kids as well. I remember when I was 3 or 4 years old, I also struggled with this pronunciation, with the R, the very, yeah. So keep at it. If you don't have it at first, just don't worry and keep trying, because it's a hard sound. It is. So we have this pronunciation of the R, the strong R, and also we have a subtle, more subtle pronunciation of this R, which would be in, for example, the word aire, maybe, and the word aire, which means air. In this one, you have a more subtle pronunciation, like like no. Here you only have to tap with your tongue, like the roof of your mouth, but very subtle, like aire, aire, aire. And the other one, the stronger one, is more. You have to trill it a little bit. Aire. Also, we have this the letter ñ, which is, you can see it like the N, but with a little tilde here, a little stick. And that sounds like ña, like mañana, for example. Mañana, that means tomorrow or morning. Mañana. If this is very important as well, because if this, for example, doesn't have it, then it says manana, which it doesn't make any sense because it doesn't mean anything. But yeah, pretty important. Remember mañana, the ñ sound. Now we're going to see now the vocals, the vocals, vowels, vocales. Vocales in Spanish. Vocales. Vocales means vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. Again, try to repeat with me. A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, this is like the easiest part of the alphabet, the vowels, because they will always sound the same. Always. It's not like in English that for the letter A you have a lot of different pronunciations, like A, I, or more with a schwa, like a, like more short. No, this always sounds the same. Always is a, e, I, o, and u. For example, if you have a word like this thingy, which is a pen in Spanish, we would say bolígrafo. I can't. Oh, it's all in the. Oh, wait. Bolígrafo. Okay, I'll say it together. Is bo, li, gra, fo. So we got these O, always going to sound like O, li, always like I, gra, a, fo, o. The vowels are going to be always the same, always. We only have these sometimes, this little stress we have here. I mean, this tilde accent mark. That means it always, that means it changes the pronunciation, it changes the stress, change where you stress the word. And you sometimes are going to see it, and I just recommend when you see that, like the stress there, you just stress that, you know, that part. You just say bolígrafo. That's what it means actually. For example, another example, we have árbol. Just say árbol. Just stress it there, and that's it. That's it. Well, thank you so much for watching the class, and I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something, and see you next class then. Bye. Ciao, ciao. Hasta luego.